Hey and welcome to a new video this week. Let's start with a nice and calm clip after what we've seen in the intro. What should you expect on these streets? Ooh, he really put his brakes on in the last second. He even got a new haircut with it. I hope he's fine. This clip is pretty short, but I think the weather doesn't seem to be in his favor today. Let's stay at bad weather conditions and head to the next clip. Looks like he forgot to give his car's windshield a good snow brush. That's probably why he missed that red light. But jokes aside, these 2 to 3 minutes it takes to clean the car are worth it. Look at the left side to the black pickup. He's standing there for quite a while in his lane, but then something happens I don't get. But then, out of nowhere, get away! I need to turn left. Similar situation, but I don't think it's the same guy. But we might be onto something with these pickup trucks. Nope, it's not what you think. This time the pickup is innocent. Just seems like both of them have really bad tires. What is something you always find in situations like this? Exactly, people that can't wait. The owner of the dashcam said he was on his way to work and he didn't have time to wait for them to get out of the way, so he just moved to the side and let them pass. The guy in the next video doesn't seem to have the patience to wait either.
Unbelievable!
Yep, that's what I thought. This is another one who's trying to make his own lane, or maybe he had a discussion with the white car on the left side. Now something's gonna happen what I'm afraid of all the time. How does she think that crossing the road behind a bus where nobody can see her is a good idea? I mean, she had some good portion of luck with the driver's quick reactions. Wait a moment and take a guess in the comments who is gonna be the idiot here in this clip. To be honest, at first I looked all the time at the car in the front, but then I saw this guy, who obviously missed his exit and now somehow tries to get out, and he succeeds. But don't do this, this is fucking stupid. This clip is a bit longer, but it shows perfect the impatience of some people. As you can see here, the police are driving in lines to stop the traffic. And that's for a reason. But some people still don't get it and try to overtake, like here. Just look. Did you ever notice someone who is getting slower when they're trying to get in front of you? Because I don't get it. This doesn't look like a brake check to me. I think he just don't know what to do. That what's gonna happen now is, in my opinion, on purpose. For real, nobody can convince me that he didn't wait for the car to run in front of it. And I would be hella scared when this happened.
Alright, get the fuck out of the road! The fuck?
Oh, it looks like pickup trucks aren't having a good time in this episode. it's great to see that she's learning how to drive, although the BMW behind her may be feeling a bit impatient, but I'm sure with practice and patience she will become a confident and safe driver on the road, and things like this happen. Every one of us has to start somewhere, right?
It's okay, you got it. Can you tell me when? Yeah, I got you.
That's it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If so, you know it. Hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. Now for the ending, I've added you a nice little video of some highlights of a truck driver in New York City with some struggles. I will not comment it, it's just for the relaxation. For those of you who want to watch it, I hope you enjoy. For those who are not, see you and bye.
Fucking stupid!